Namaste one and all. Welcome to the playlist of management and entrepreneurship. Now let's we concentrate on the next topic called project report. Before getting to the project report, I'm going to tell the brief introduction about the subject. The subject course or sub course name is management and entrepreneurship. The subject code is 21WD61. This subject is related to sixth semester BTU triple students. Okay. And then what do you mean by project report? Of course, project report is nothing but an operating document. It will going to help us for operational activities. And then we can call it as business plan for our project. Okay. Usually our final year project, we are going to make it after the completion of the project. But here in the actual projects, our actual business, our actual real-time project will going to happen like this. Before we need to prepare the project, before executing the project, we need to prepare the project report because it works like a roadmap. It works like a roadmap to reach the destination of the project. Okay, and then it is a systematically developed document pertaining to any investment proposal. Okay, it is nothing but a systematically developed document for any investment proposal. Okay, we can apply it for any investment proposal because it is a systematically developed document. And then project report fulfills two important factors, of course. Why? Serving as a roadmap or guidebook for our project, and then attracting the investors and lenders. Of course, it will going to attract the investors and lenders because so that's why we need to put more concentrate on project reports. Okay, simultaneously, let's understand what are the important components should be there in the project. Okay, following are the contents of the project report should be there: general information, promoters, marketing strategy, location, land and building, plant and machinery, capital and operational requirements, and cost, production process, manpower, raw material, products, market and economic analysis, working capital, and the requirement of funds. These are all the contents should be there in the project report. Okay, and then let's we understand what in the depth what I mean by general information. In this section, promoters information, industry profile, and product details should be there. Okay, and then project description. In the second section, the important section of the report which provides the details related to site, physical infrastructure, raw material, utilities, transportation and communication, technology, machinery and equipment, process capacity, research and development, etc. These are all the details which should be available in the project description page. And then market potential. What do I mean by market potential? Here, demand and supply position, marketing strategy, expected price, after sales price, aspects related to the project, product are provided. Okay, and then capital cost and source of finance. Capital cost is nothing but investment. This important section covers estimated cost of the capital items, land, buildings, plant, machinery, initial investments, and financial sources, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ output ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, including owners contribution and fund rising strategies. What are the different fund rising strategies we are going to implement? Everything should be updated in the project report. And then assessment of working capital requirements. Detailed working capital requirement and sources of the supply working capital are provided in this section. Okay, working capital is nothing but the investment for operation. Other financial aspects, profitability aspects, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ profit ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ we need to provide the information. How we are going to get the profit? How much we are going to get the profit? Every break analysis we should provide it. Profitability aspects like expected sales, revenue, and break-even analysis are to be given in this section so that financial viability or feasibility of the project would be clear. Economic and social variables. That so means how our project will going to affect or how it will going to help for our society, and we should give the report. The details related socio-economic benefits of this project are also included in the report. Here, the aspects covered include employment generation, local resource utilization, development of area, waste treatment or management, export possibility. These are etc. These are all the content should be there in the economic and social variables. Finally, project implementation. Detailed implementation scheme and schedule should be given in this section. The timeline for completing each of the project stages starting from formulation of the project report to the commencement of actual production is to be provided. These are all the project implementation process should be there. Okay. And then needs and significance of the project report. What are all the significance and needs of the project report? ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it helps an entrepreneur to judge the profitability of given proposal. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. It gives in detail about project. Of course, it will going to give the complete details from the beginning stage to ending stage. It helps in understanding the strength and weakness of the project. Of course, it will going to give the SWOT analysis of complete about project. It helps in increasing the knowledge, industry, market, raw material, technology. Because why we when we need to give the information about my project, we are going to search in a Google, or we are going to refer many things. Okay, we are going to refer many journal papers, everything. So that's why it will going to give complete information about industry, market, raw material, technology, etc. In educate the entrepreneur regarding reducing risk of for future. Of course, it will go to reduce the risk because it will going to give the complete details about my project and all. It bring into sharp focus the key performance. Of course, it will going to give the focus about my project, my objectives. Helps in choosing the correct way of completing. It will going to choose. It will to choose right paths to complete or to finish our project. Okay, these are all the needs and significance of the project report. That much is enough for this video. Next, let's we concentrate on next topic in the next video. Okay, thank you so